Neuro-Somatic Pilates is a workout system that not only considers your physical health, but your mental and emotional well-being. If you've ever been overwhelmed by conflicting fitness advice, such as ditch the cardio, just focus on strengthening workouts, and now the latest trend, emphasizing mobility routines, if it seems like you're jumping from one workout plan to another, you feel like you're just not doing enough, or for a lot of people that I work with, it leads to lack of motivation, we can instead think of workouts like a well-balanced meal, where we need a variety of different food groups to get the essential nutrients. And for physical conditioning, we need a variety of different exercise and workout routines for a well-balanced plan. When I first began Pilates, I didn't take the time to realize how Pilates complemented other workouts I was moving with, how it could replace some workouts, or even my goals. Instead, I was concerned I wasn't doing enough. And this is a valid concern because we want the time we spend moving with workouts to be beneficial. For many years, I simply focused on the physical practice of Pilates, completely ignoring my nervous system, and I would oscillate between being extremely motivated to work out and then just feeling burnt out. And so many times I didn't experience joy with my Pilates practice, which really led to lack of motivation. If you experience lack of motivation, it could be the missing link is understanding how to work optimally with your nervous system. You may hear a lot of people talking about our bodies being in a constant state of fight or flight due to stress or trauma, and they recommend down-regulating activities such as taking breaks, focusing on deep breathing, or even slow, mindful movement sessions. This is an outdated view of how the body responds to stress, trauma, and even workouts, because sometimes when we focus on these down-regulating activities, it can lead to disassociation. Yet, when we look up somatic movement practices, it's primarily focused on slower sessions, which aren't always helpful for physical, mental, or emotional health. And somatic simply means pertaining to the body. Neuro-Somatic Pilates involves recognizing the interplay between brain, mind, and body. It entails a striking balance between selecting workouts that promote physical conditioning and taking into account the impacts that the nervous system has on the workouts that you move with. This is a simple framework that you can easily follow, and I'll be sharing this in an upcoming workshop, Neuro-Somatic Pilates, how to optimize your workouts by moving in alignment with your brain, body, and nervous system. This can be applied regardless of your level with Pilates and exercise in general. During the workshop, we'll cover the 5 aspects of physical fitness to maintain well-being today and in the future, how the nervous system automatically responds to stress so that you can work in harmony with the nervous system for optimal results, and simple ways to apply this while factoring in personal considerations. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your workouts and total wellness. Make sure to sign up for the Neuro-Somatic Pilates workshop using the link that you're seeing right now. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day and that we can connect soon.